My name is Alex if you're new here, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Okay, today's video is going to be working with these colors again. If you have not seen Wednesday's video, I think you should, because I was doing a weird color combination, but using with this color palette. This is the ash and everything else, and let me say this, I really do like this. If you hear rumbling and everything like that, it's raining here right now, and yeah, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. So I am gonna try out, start using a liquid pencil, liquid eyeliner, and everything else. I'm going to use the gel from e.l.f. I have not used that, but so as you can tell, I already did my face and everything else. I have so many videos about me I do my face. The only thing I actually use different is a different highlighter, and it's a new highlighter that I got. It's new to me, but not new. It's the Ofra by Convent Garden, and let me tell you something. I thought this was going to be a little bit too dark for me, but it gives me a nice, like a iridescent color, like a pink iridescent color, which I really do like this. So yeah, so I really do like it, and I just went with a nice, like a nude blush for this. It has a peach undertone. It's the WetnWild ColorIcon in Rose Champagne, and this is a nice little, you know, fall is coming, and I just want to go with a little peach color, and I do like little peach colors. So yeah, we're gonna go with Milani eyeshadow primer. I do love this stuff. I highly recommend it because my eyeliner, my eyeshadow primer, my eyeshadow doesn't last a very long time, and so I do like this nice gray tone color. That is very cool. I do like this. I do like this color. Like, I really do like it. So, oh well. Just a little lightly, just use that. Just give me a nice little bit of, just to help me what I want to do. So, and then I'm going to use this purple color right here, this mauve color, like a really cool tone color. So, I really do like this. This looks very cool. Like, this is a really pretty color. I do like this color. Like, I really don't like, I like color. And I really want to focus this color. But for some reason, I want to use this color. I don't know why, but I'm not going to. I feel like, nah. Okay. Do it this way. Okay. We're definitely going to use a small detail brush. Actually a lip brush and everything, but I haven't been using it as a lip brush or anything like that. I've been using it as to cut my thing. So how I see it, we're gonna this is my first attempt of doing the halo eye. So, please forgive me if I did this wrong. I tell you one thing, these colors do. I actually do like this color. So okay. So we're just gonna this is like very creamy gel eyeliner, and to tell you the truth, it's how I don't use it because to me it's really creamy. But you can actually I want to test this out if you want me to. I want to test this out with like I don't usually use like I'm trying to think of the word, eyeshadow, but I want to try this with dark, like really darker colors and just see how that goes. So those are very creamy. Want to make this like I think like delicious. But I do want your recommendation of eyeliners, like gel eyeliners and everything else like that. And so, let's for me, so. Yeah, I really do like this stuff, so I do have it. If you want a good high-end brand mascara, I do recommend it. And I actually did really good on this side, so I'm very happy with that. So, our MUA shout out. Like I said, trying to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But because this is going to be continually thing, and I thought, you know, okay. So, you ready for who I pick? This is a lovely lady. She's also from Canada, from Quebec, and everything else. And I adore her. Her name is Kiana, and she does amazing looks. I mean, she does beautiful cut creases, like beautiful looks. And I'm gonna show a picture up here, of course, of her. I love her. She is such a sweet lady. She has a beautiful accent. Actually, I heard it this past weekend. No, earlier this week. And I thought she has the most beautiful accent, and I love it. She does have a Twitter, of course, and she does have an Instagram and a YouTube channel, so I will link everything down below, of course. But she is such a beautiful lady. I love her makeup. They're always gorgeous. She does these beautiful cut creases and everything else. And I thought, you know what? Let's, just go more. And I am, already picked her for today's video and everything else because I wanted to shout her out and everything else, and I just love her, and she's such a kind and amazing woman, and I just enjoy her. So yes, so that is for my video, my MUA shout out. Like I said, I do enjoy her and everything else, but yeah. So that's it for today's video. I know it's a little bit short because everything's going on right now. I will have a skincare video coming out next week, which I'm very excited of. It's from Pacifica. I got this from an influencer and everything else, so I will do a video about it and everything. It's just a skincare video. I got their acne solution stuff. It's cucumber and mint and everything else. So I am using it for the rest of the week, and I will give you my full thoughts about it. But I'm sorry about that. Here. Sorry. But so that will be coming out next week. I do not know what videos I'm planning to do, but I am going to try my best to do some fashion videos too. Like I said before many times, I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do and everything else for that. So it's like fall inspiration, fall colors, and so prepare for that coming up this fall. Like I said, I am still debating a lot of stuff, but I am going to do more skincare videos. I think that will be especially for my skin type, and tell you what my skin is. I want to do more of that because, yeah, and do more like I do want to do fashion because, you know, sometimes people want a little bit of inspiration in fashion, and I thought this fall would be great and everything else. So if you do like this video, hit that like button, and also don't hit the subscribe button, that red big button that says subscribe, because if you want to be part of this Makeup Addict family, feel free to do so because we are non-judgmental. This is a judgmental, let me say that right, make it easy for me to say. This is a judgment-free zone, and this is a drama-free zone too. So there's no drama and there's no drama and everything else. We're here to celebrate our makeup, just to have fun with makeup and have fun, and hopefully to inspire everybody, because that's what I want to do for my channel, and is what I want my addict family is to inspire. Is that even a word? I don't think so. Inspire people and everything else. And this is, I do only use cruelty-free products. I have no judgment for people who are not cruelty-free, so and everything else. But yes, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell too, next to this big old button that says subscribe, because I usually upload every Monday, every Wednesday, and every Friday at 12 o'clock p.m. And yes, I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I love you, and God bless you. Bye.